we are going to see now mathematics standard 5, and in that we will see problem set 21. This problem set is very easy, just like the problem set 20. In that we have done the addition of like fractions. Now in this problem set 21 we are going to do the subtraction of like fraction. So let's start. The question number 1 is given here, subtraction. So here subtraction is given, so we have to subtract the like fraction. In that, first fractions are given, 5 upon 7 minus 1 upon 7. It means what we have to do, we have to observe the fraction first of all. Here you can easily see that here the denominator is common, okay, but the numerator is different. So these two fractions are like fractions. So to solve this like fraction, how we can do, first of all we will write the denominator as it is, because this is common denominator. Only one time we will write that 7. Now what we have to do, we have to subtract the numerator, because here the subtraction sign is given, okay. So 5 minus 1, 4 upon 7 as it is we will write, because in the denominator 7 is there, okay. So our answer will be 4 upon 7, okay. So like that we will do second example. Now the same problem set, second example, second fraction is given, 5 upon 8 minus 3 upon 8. Here also you can observe that denominator is common, okay, the denominator is common, so we will write it is the common denominator, only one time we will write, and we are going to subtract the numerator, 5 upon 3, and 5 upon 3 is equal to 2 and upon 8, okay. So 2 upon 8 is our answer. Now just like the first 8 examples, one word problem is also given in the problem set 21 that we are going to see now. The question number second is given. We will read the question now. 7 upon 10 of a wall is to be painted. Ramu has painted 4 upon 10 of it. How much more needs to be painted? It means what we have to do, we have to find out how much more part of the wall needs to be painted, okay. So for that what we will do, first of all we will write the given part, okay. So in that given part what we will do, first of all we will write a part of the wall, is to be painted, is equal to how much, 7 upon 10, okay. So 7 upon 10 part of the wall is to be painted, okay. So this is the first given part. Now we are going to see, or we have to write the second sentence or second given part. So we will write a part of the wall Ramu has painted, okay, equal to how much, 4 upon 10, okay. So you can see easily that here total part of the wall is to be painted 7 upon 10. Out of 7 upon 10 Ramu has painted already 4 upon 10, okay. So how much more needs to be painted, we have to find out. So what we will do, we will have to subtract 7 upon 10 minus 4 upon 10, okay. So equal to, we will see that the denominator is common, so we will try it only one time, 10, and we have to subtract the numerator. 7 minus 4 equal to 7 minus 4 is 3 and upon 10. So we got the answer 3 upon 10 as the fraction. So like this, what we have to write, the last answer, last sentence, 3 upon 10 part of a wall that needs to be painted more. Okay, so like this you can solve the problem set 21 and share me your homework. Thank you.